Hey, we're doing pretty good over here, man. Just kind of sitting around watching it rain there, Tinfo. All right, Short Circuit, I'm going to get my little station out the way, man. There's a lot of radios in there. Short Circuit sounding good around Nashville, Tennessee. Call me 137, cruising this DAC 9. I'll see ya. Hey, Dirty Bird, we're around Nashville, Tennessee. Hey, Dirty Bird, 137 around Nashville, Tennessee, cruising this DAC 9 there, Roger. Hey, Roger, Dirty Bird. Hey, man, I appreciate that, no doubt about it. This doggone been a labor of love, man, that's for sure. Whole lot of patience. Anyway, Dirty Bird sounded good up here around Nashville, Tennessee. Call me 137, cruising this DAC 9. I'll see ya.
Hey, Roger, on that 137, will you be good for it? And thank you for coming back to me. Maybe we'll hook it up again sometime. The old Dirty Bird back here in the old Tall Mountains of West Virginia work there.
Dear Roger, Dirty Bird. Hey, I'll tell you what, man, I'm going to roll this Watergate. You look at 137 Nashville on YouTube.com. 137 Nashville on YouTube.com. I'll have it up here in a few minutes there. And you kind of check it out there. Catch you later, Dirty Bird. 137 cruising this DAC 9. I'll see you.
How about a Dirty Bird? How about that Dirty Bird? 503 around Williamsport, Maryland. We're trying to holler. Washington, D.C. 133. More, there's a bunch of them out there this evening. Damn,
Hello, around Maryland. 137 Nashville, Tennessee. Looking break.
Say Nashville, Tennessee's on in Maryland. P503 in Williamsport, Maryland.
Hello, 503. 503, 137 Nashville, Tennessee. Looking break.
Marshall, I'm back out.